Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to change a face on a photo in Photoshop. Open the pictures you need in the Photoshop app. Select the Lasso tool from the left side toolbar. Draw an outline of the person's face. Right-click on the outline and select Layer via Copy from the list. Click on the eye next to the layer with the whole picture. You will have the layer with the person's face visible. Select the Move tool from the left sidebar. Drag and drop the person picture into the photo you need. Click on the lock next to Layer 0. Select Layer 1. Click on Edit at the top menu bar and select Free Transform from the list. Resize the face cutout. Set the opacity of the layer to 50% so you can match the eyes and other parts of the face. Click on the check mark once you're done. Set the opacity back to 100%. Select Layer 0 and click on Layer 1. The face cutout should be selected. Click on Select at the top menu bar and choose Modify Contract from the list. Set 5 pixels and click OK. Press Delete. The face of the main picture will be removed. Press Ctrl D to undo the selection. Press Ctrl and select both layers. Click on Edit at the top menu bar and select Auto Blend Layers from the list. Click on the half-filled circle icon on the bottom right side of the app. Select Curves from the list. Adjust the color settings of the picture. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!